Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Bose portable home speaker to your MacBook. So first of all, make sure that your Bose speaker is powered on.
Battery 87%.
So now it's powered on and not connected to any devices. You need to make sure of that as well. Now let's get to our Bluetooth settings on a MacBook. It should be up here on top of the screen. There's a Bluetooth icon. So enable it. You can try double clicking and going for Bluetooth preferences. So right here there should be search for devices, and after it's done we should be able to see this Bose portable home speaker right here. If it's not showing up, click on the Bluetooth.
Ready to connect.
The lights will turn blue and now it should be here. Click on connect.
Hertz MacBook Pro connected.
And now it's connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.